We gotta talk about what's going on right now. It's going crazy wild. So I woke up this morning, January 28th at 7:23 a.m. and I had an announcement slash message in my inbox on the app known as Robinhood. Now, a couple years ago, I invested a couple $1,000s into this app and some of the stock market investing, and I had this message: due to an ongoing volatility, is it volatility or volatility? Volatility, some securities like AMC and GME are position closing only. Now, if you open this, it takes you to a page posted today, keeping customers informed through the market of volatility. Our mission at Robinhood is to democratize finance for all. We're proud to have created a platform that has helped everyday people from backgrounds shapes their financial futures and invest in long term. We continuously monitor the markets and changes where necessary, blah, 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 blah. This is what's important. In light of the recent volatility, we are restricting transactions for certain securities to positions closing only, including AAL, AMC, BB, BBBY, CTRM, GM, COS, NAKD, NOC. We also raise margin requirements for certain securities. Now, for those of you who don't know, I am not a financial advisor, and for those of you who live under a rock and don't know what any of that means, essentially you have the stock market, right? Robinhood is an app that allows you to buy shares, stock, of a company. So if I wanted to right now, I could buy one share of Tesla for $800. It's $800 per share. So if you have 100 shares at $800, that's a lot of money. So if you bought stock on this app back when it was like $5, you would pretty much be almost a millionaire at that point. But what's important is the war between Wall Street right now and GameStop, because if you haven't seen, GameStop stock went kablooey. It went super, super high, from like super, super low to super, super high. And I want to explain to you why this is relevant, why it's important, and why right now we're pretty much fighting a financial war with billionaires, the small people like myself who are either a poor or medium income or just, they're all average. We don't make tons and tons of money. We're not millionaires and we're not billionaires. But we're fighting right now because the app Robinhood closed all of transactions. So pretty much we can't buy any more stock from any of the companies that they were listed. And this is primarily because, and let me explain to an example here. There's a term called short sellers, and Google describes short selling as it occurs when an investor borrows a security and sells in the option market, planning to buy back later for less money. Short sellers bet on and profit from a drop in security price. This can be contrasted with long investors who want the price to go up. Short selling is not a good method. It's a really scummy, deceptive method for billionaires and millionaires to get rich. So let me dumb it down. If this still confuses you, let me try to word this in a way that it helps you understand. Say I go into a grocery store and there's a dozen apples for $50, right? Which is a lot of money. $50 for a dozen apples, that's a lot. But let's just consider that apple to be a share, like it's $50. Well, this middleman comes along, also known as a short seller, right? And they say that they can sell me the same box of apples, a dozen apples, for $20. But see, the scam here is that they know that next week the grocery store is going to drop the price of the apples. So next week, the apples at the grocery store are going to be only $10 for a dozen. But he's selling me $20 for a dozen. He knows that, the price is going to drop. And so they're in the difference of that $20, he's making a $10 profit, right? And he's pretty much, scamming me because he's not I don't know how to word this, but essentially he has insider knowledge of what's going to happen, and he's taking advantage of that by making a profit off of me, thinking that I'm getting a deal when the reality is I'm not, because he knows that the price is going to drop even lower. Well, see, the difference here is that all these people with GameStop, GM, and like all of these stocks that Robinhood has, locked and closed, the small people, or I should say Reddit, people who are not millionaires, people who are average income or low income, bought a bunch of shares or stock of GameStop, and the stock went straight up. In the same way, let's say a bunch of Redditors go into the grocery store, buy a bunch of apples, and they buy a ton of all the apples until there's a supply and demand issue. There's no more apples at the grocery store, which forces the short seller to have to sell back their apples at a higher price. Thus, they're losing money. So you have here all these billionaires losing millions and hundreds of millions of dollars by trying to short sell, GameStop stock and other stocks. We came along and we saw what they were doing, and we started raising the stock prices and shares of the values of these shares on this app. And, well, it has exploded because if there's one thing billionaires don't like, it's losing money, which is strange to me that billionaires have an issue with losing money because they're, well, billionaires. And quite frankly, I don't extend or have any empathy or sympathy for people who are rich who are taking advantage of the poor in any degree. Like, if you think that I support billionaires or millionaires taking advantage of people who are less fortunate, raising prices on things that shouldn't be raised, pharmaceutical companies taking advantage of people who can't afford things. These billionaires lost money over GameStop stock. And even now, everything's frozen. Like the app Robinhood, where you buy all these shares and things, they froze everything, which people are going ballistic over because that essentially is pretty much saving billionaires from losing any more money from people like Reddit and other people who found a little exploit of what they were doing, and we want them to pay. Now, this is getting huge, and I mean massive. I mean, just take a look at this. Robinhood has stopped allowing users to buy GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, and Nokia stock. They're now unable to freely trade it. The app is only allowing users to close out their position. Alexandria Cortez responds, "This is unacceptable. We now need to know more about Robinhood app's decision to block retail investors from purchasing stock while hedge funds are freely able to trade the stock as they see fit. As a member of the financial service CMTE, I support a hearing if necessary." There's probably going to be a massive lawsuit here because I had some money in my Robinhood app actually from a couple years ago that I forgot that I had, and I checked, and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to buy some Nokia stock, just a couple shares, which is like $5. I think it was $5 a share last night, and I tried to purchase some, and I got put on a pending transaction and I have been declined. So I wasn't even able to buy a $5 share of stock in a money that I have in my account from a couple years ago, which says a lot right there on what Robinhood is attempting to do. Now, in a weird string of events, even Ted Cruz, who I'm not the biggest fan of, but Ted Cruz responded to Alexandria Cortez's tweet saying he fully agrees. And my goodness, when you have Ted Cruz and Alexandria Cortez agreeing with one another, maybe you're doing something wrong, Robinhood. Protecting billionaires for what? Because they are losing money? They're billionaires. Them losing some millions, that's nothing to them. That's pocket change. That's pennies. Wall Street is protecting. Robinhood is protecting multi-billionaires. These are people with 5 or 6 yachts. Things could maybe be different in this country where you're not paying $700 to $500 for insulin of basic medical needs. Who really knows at this point? But this is a corrupt system. And I never thought that Robinhood, which was an app that I really liked, would stoop to this level of halting all transactions like this. So we can't buy shares or stock, and billionaires can continue to profit off of people who are poor or can't compete with them. This is horrible. It's terrible that people like myself, you, Redditors, are financially being censored, essentially, from actually making money. Because the billionaires will lose money if we make money. That's how it works. I hope this made some sense to you guys. I just wanted to talk about this because this is a really big thing. And it's affected me, too, on my app that I use, Robinhood. And I was really just shocked to see that they completely shut down these, companies to where we can't buy any more stock because billionaires are losing money. And I think that's just a really corrupt and evil thing for Robinhood to be doing, much less when we get our foot in the door, they get a tank and roll the tank into the door and break our foot even more. So, yeah.